Welcome to the Firearm Firm channel. I'm James Phillips, a former prosecutor and a Second Amendment attorney with Katz & Phillips, PA. This past Monday, January the 23rd, 2023, California Senator Dianne Feinstein filed the assault weapon ban of 2023. Now, this should not be a surprise to anyone, as this kind of bill has been filed for the last several years, but we still need to talk about this year's version. This bill infringes on your right to bear arms in several different ways, so I want to briefly go over what you need to know about it. As the name indicates, one of the things the bill is seeking to do is to ban all assault weapons. The bill defines semi-automatic assault weapons to mean any of the following, regardless of country of manufacture or caliber of ammunition accepted. Number 1, a semi-automatic rifle that has the capacity to accept a detachable ammunition feeding device and has one of the following: a pistol grip, a forward grip, a folding, telescoping, or detachable stock, or a stock that is otherwise foldable or adjustable in a manner that operates to reduce the length, size, or any other dimension, or otherwise enhances the concealability of the weapon. Grenade launcher, a barrel shroud, or a threaded barrel. Number 2, a semi-automatic rifle that has a fixed ammunition feeding device with the capacity to accept more than 10 rounds, unless the fixed feeding device is an attached tubular device designed to accept and capable of operating only with .22 caliber rimfire ammunition. The bill goes on to specifically ban all AR and AK type rifles and further lists specific makes and models of rifles that are considered assault weapons under this bill. Number 3, any parts, combination of parts, component, device, attachment, or accessory that is designed or functioned to accelerate the rate of fire of a semi-automatic firearm but does not convert the semi into a machine gun. This wording is put in there to address FRTs, bump stocks, and anything else that can increase the rate of fire of a semi-automatic firearm. Number 4, a semi-automatic pistol that utilizes a magazine and has any of the following: a threaded barrel, a second pistol grip, barrel shroud, the capacity to accept a magazine at some location outside of the pistol grip, a buffer tube, stabilizing brace, or similar component that would allow the firearm to be fired from the shoulder, a manufactured weight of 50 ounces, and finally, a semi-automatic version of an automatic firearm. For all those Glock lovers out there like myself, if this bill becomes law, you can kiss your Glock pistols goodbye. Why? Because all Glock pistols look the same, including the Glock 18, which is an automatic pistol. Number 5, a semi-automatic pistol with a fixed ammunition feeding device that has the capacity to accept more than 10 rounds. Number 6, semi-automatic shotguns that accept a detachable ammunition feeding device or a fixed ammunition device that has the capacity to accept more than 5 rounds as an assault weapon if the shotgun has any of the following: a folding, telescoping, or detachable stock, pistol grip or bird's head grip, a forward grip, grenade launcher. Also, any shotgun with a revolving cylinder will also be considered assault weapon under this bill. The bill does provide a grandfather clause for assault weapons. However, if you ever want to sell, transfer, or gift the grandfather assault weapon, you will need to go through an FFL so a background check can be ran on the receiver of the assault weapon. Furthermore, all grandfathered firearms that are not carried on the person or within such close proximity that the person can readily retrieve and use it must be stored in a locked, secure gun storage or secured with a safety device such as a trigger lock. Before I go over the last thing I think you need to know about this bill, be sure to take a second to hit the like button and that subscribe icon located in the bottom right hand corner of this video. By doing so, you are letting YouTube know that you value your Second Amendment rights. So, the last thing I think you need to know about this bill is that it seeks to ban all magazines and other ammunition feeding devices that hold more than 10 rounds. Although this bill would allow you to keep those so-called high-capacity magazines you already have, it does prohibit you from transferring them to another person. Again, no one should be surprised that this type of bill has been filed. However, it is extremely important that you share your disgust with your representatives and let them know if they vote for this bill or similar bills, they will not get your vote the next time they're up for re-election. We all know that if this bill makes it to President Biden's desk, he will sign it immediately into law. Let us know what you think about this bill, and if you have any questions about this video or any other Second Amendment related questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments section or email them directly to us at questions@thefirearmfirm.com. Until next time, stay armed and educated.